Here we go, folks. Welcome back inside the courtroom. Today's case is State versus Marlon Vasquez, and already you can feel the weight in the air. The judge is calmly setting the stage, but notice how quickly she dives into competency questions, mental state, sanity, understanding of charges. Why? Because in criminal law, competency determines if the trial even moves forward. Think about it. If Marlon wasn't competent, this case could grind to a halt. But here both defense and prosecution agree he knows what he's facing. So buckle up, because this isn't just paperwork. This is where lives change in seconds.
Who else is ready? Next is Martin Vasquez, and it's also all right, can I see the parties on Marlon Vasquez, please? Hello. Good morning. How's it going? I haven't seen your brother in a while. How's he doing?
Gonna be in court today. He's around here somewhere. He's doing good.
Oh,
Thank
okay.
you for asking. I'll let him know you asked about.
I keep telling him he needs to write his memoirs. His story is so fascinating. I had a chance to have, we were at an event and I had lunch and dinner with him. He was telling us all about the Miss America pageant and everything.
Good luck, for sure.
Yeah. All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 008-730, State versus Marlon Vasquez. Can I have parties announced?
Lauren Espinoza for the state.
Eddie Garcia for Mr. Vasquez, Your Honor.
And are you Marlon Vasquez?
Yes.
All right, so we have an interpreter here. If you could raise your right hand again. Do you solemnly swear and affirm you will faithfully translate from English into Spanish and Spanish into English, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand if you'll state your name for the record.
Jacqueline Falla.
All right, Mr. Vasquez, all of the documents I'm going to review with you are in English. Were those documents explained to you in Spanish?
Yes.
All right, and counsel, do you speak Spanish?
I do, Your Honor.
And do you speak it fluently?
I do.
And were you able to explain these documents to your client in Spanish?
Was.
And counsel, have you received all discovery and did you review with your client?
I did.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery.
Let's pause here. The judge just confirmed Marlon reviewed the true bill of indictment in plain English. That's the official notice of what crime he's charged with. And here's the kicker. Possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 2, less than 1 gram. Doesn't sound like much, right? But under Texas law, even less than 1 gram lands you in felony territory, with up to 2 years in state jail. Crazy to think a pinch of powder can change someone's future. What do you think? Should tiny amounts carry felony weight? Or is the law too harsh? Drop your thoughts in the comments. This debate is always heated.
Mr. Vasquez, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yeah.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Vasquez, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
All right. You're charged with the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 2, less than 1 gram. That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state will call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do, Your Honor.
Mr. Vasquez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
No.
Anyone promise you anything other than the plea?
No.
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
This is one of those key moments. The judge is double checking that Marlon isn't being pressured into pleading guilty. It might sound routine, but it's actually huge. Why? Because later on, if Marlon ever tries to backtrack, the record will show he said no one forced him, and he understood the deal. Here's where things get interesting. The plea bargain gives him 138 days in county jail plus a $1,000 fine. Compare that to the maximum 2 years in state jail. This is a massive break, but it also locks him into the system. Think about it. Is this justice or just a cycle that keeps repeating?
B.
Yes.
Did you understand by entering into this plea bargain agreement, if you're not a citizen of the United States, you can be deported, denied naturalization, and denied re-entry into the country? Did you understand?
B.
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
B.
Yes.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at a $1,000 fine, 138 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. Did you understand that to be the plea?
B.
Yes.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
B.
Yes.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
B.
Yes.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then how do you plead to the offenses charged?
B. Bogner.
Guilty.
State any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State offers States Exhibit 1 and all attachments.
Without objection.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
B.
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent? Did you understand?
B.
Yes.
By entering this plea, that means that the state will not be calling any witnesses. Did you understand?
B.
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence States Exhibits 1 and attachments. The court has reviewed the same. Court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We simply ask that the court honor the plea, Your Honor.
All right. Then the court, as previously stated, is finding you guilty. The court will follow your agreement, sentence you to 138 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. Give you credit for any time served. There's a $1,000 fine. Time and money will run concurrently. Did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney?
B.
Yes.
Did you understand it and sign it?
B.
Yes.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I call it your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
And there it is. Guilty plea entered, sentence locked, and the judge delivers a reality check. Notice her tone? She's not just sentencing, she's warning. Either Marlon cleans up, or he risks losing his life to addiction. This is where courtroom drama collides with real human struggle. Today wasn't about flashy objections or screaming defendants. It was about the quiet, devastating power of a single guilty plea. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.
B.
Yes.
All right, we can go off the record. So it appears that you may have a drug problem. When you're released from custody, if I'm still here and you are trying to find a place to help you maintain your sobriety, you can come back here. I'll pick up the phone and call somebody to help you. Because only one or two things are going to end up happening. I'm sure your attorney will tell you this. Either you're going to be in and out of somebody's jail or prison, or either somebody's going to be identifying your body, because the last time you use may be the last time you use. You understand?
B.
Yes.
All right, good luck to you.